How to buy NFTs on blockchain.com. If you wish to buy NFTs on blockchain.com, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the blockchain.com application and just make sure to log into your respective account. Once you're logged into your account, here you will see this type of option. Now, to buy NFTs, from the bottom of the menu, just go to the NFT section. Here you can find an option that says Buy NFT. Just tap on it. When you tap on Buy NFT, you'll be taken to the OpenSea wallet, where you can choose to buy NFTs right here. So you can choose the NFT that you wish to buy over here, and once that, you can simply select that. You'll be able to see the price, and then you'll be able to buy it after you verify your payment method, and then you win the offer. This way you can buy NFTs on blockchain.com. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.